business? Are you seeing that 300% growth?
Interiors industry per se in India and also to an extent worldwide, I'm not saying growth is not possible, but at the same time, sky is not the limit. It's a very personalized job, all said and done at the end of it. Unlike construction and development, wherein unless you're doing a build to suit basis, you know an industry and you construct for an industry. For example, IT parks. You design an IT park, but you're not designing an IT park to a specific client. Either it's ITES, just call centers, BPOs, or you're doing it for software development. So you have NFPA compliant buildings and you do things based on that. In interiors, it's a lot more personalized. So there is definitely the growth can be pegged at, let's say in India, I would peg it at about 500 crores and not more than that. It cannot be anywhere close to it. We're trying to do a lifestyle development of our own in Lonavala, where we are planning a lot of facilities, and it's going to be kind of a day park in toto. Any kind of a luxury activity that you can think of or sporting activity that you can think of should be present there within the given.
This is for whom?
This is our own development project that we are talking about. This is not for a particular client. We are getting into development. We are doing. It's going to be a dream project for me to develop something which is of this magnitude and of this nature.
And it's not only Della Technica that is on the fast track to success. Jimmy is a complete speed demon and loves zipping around his home at the Parsi Colony in Bombay. His other interests involve social and community service. A proud Parsi, his next house will be built as a model of Persian architecture and will reflect his deep-rooted faith.
I know that one of your hobbies is bikes and cars. You're a complete speed demon.
I love speed in any which form, whether on land or in the water. I'm very fond of bikes. I initially started my college days. I used to be a professional motocross rider, and I guess I've never given up riding since then. I like to balance it out.
You met Michael Schumacher recently.
Yes, I met Michael Schumacher. It was a fantastic experience to meet him for about almost 4 hours, be at the test pit in Maranello at the Ferrari factory, and be with the whole team. It was a fantastic experience.
Again, the Italian connection.
The Italian connection, yes. Again, the Italian connection.
Are you one of the proud Parsi, pillars of the community? Are you? Because I saw amongst the work that you do, you've also done restoration work on Agyaris.
Yes, I'm proud to be a Parsi and as a Russian. I firmly believe for a human being, and especially when you get some amount of success or even otherwise, first comes your profession, comes your family, followed by your community, followed by the society, and followed by the nation. You need to give it back to these people. You need to give it back to each one of this. If you enter my building, there's an Indian flag lying outside. I really fought to make sure that the flag is put up there. We had tremendous amount of objections from the municipal corporation, blah blah. I made sure that the flag goes there. So you need to give something back to the community. You need to give something back to the society. So each year I take up a few Parsi related projects, and I take up one society related project for the Bombay city, whether it's a police station for the Bombay Police Force or it's something else in terms of social work.
Jimmy Mistry on the fast track there. Time for a short break, but when we're back, we'll find out more about our young Turks. Welcome back to Young Turks. Our next segment is when we put the same set of questions to both our Young Turks to see how similar or different they are. Take a look.
Not much.
Extremely important.
Hard work and enjoy yourself.
Hard work, vision.
I haven't thought of it.
Work for the community, work for the society. Give something back.
With that, it's time for us to say goodbye to you on this edition of Young Turks. Write to us. Our email address is youngturks@tv18online.com. Tell us what you thought of our show. Also let us know if you think you know any other interesting personalities who may fit on Young